Good morning, children. In last video, I have explained about parts of plant. What is the parts of plant? And now, in this class, I have explained structure and function of the parts of a plant. Structure and functions of the parts of a plant. All of you open your textbook, page number 49. First parts of the plant is roots. All of you know about roots. Roots, this is the picture of roots. This is the picture of roots. ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ಬೇರುಗಳು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ವ ಇನ್ ಕನ್ನಡ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಓಕೆ. ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. Roots are normally grow under the ground. ಮರದ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಬೆಳೀತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ರೂಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಅಪ್ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನೇ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಎನಿ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ to the roots can harm or kill the plant. Any damage, ಏನಾದರೂ ಡ್ಯಾಮೇಜ್ ಅಥವಾ ಏನಾದರೂ ತಿಂದು ಒಳಗಡೆ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಳಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಮರ ಅಥವಾ ಗಿಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮುಂದೆ ಬೆಳೆಯೋಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹಾರ್ಮ್ ಆರ್ ಕಿಲ್ ದಿ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಸತ್ತೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಡೆತ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. They are very important part of a plant. Any damage to the roots can harm or kill the plant. Any damage to the roots can harm or kill the plant. Okay. And next, functions of roots. What is the functions of roots? Functions of roots. First, functions are roots hold to the plant firmly in the soil. Roots are hold to the plant firmly in the soil. Okay. They absorb water and nutrient from the soil. Roots are, they absorb, what is they absorb? Water and nutrient from the soil. ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಅದು ನೀರು ಮತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕಾಂಶಗಳ ಲವಣಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ? ಹೀರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಫುಡ್. Carrots, radish and beetroots are example of such roots. This is the some plants roots store food. For example, carrot, radish and beetroot. It is the root store food. Okay. And next, kinds of roots. What is the kinds of roots? Two main types of roots are tap roots and fibrous roots. The two main types of roots are tap roots and fibrous root. Some plants have main root that grow thicker and deeper. It is called as tap root. This is the example of tap root. Some plants have a main root. This is the main root alva that grows thicker. ದಪ್ಪವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡೀಪಾಗಿ ಬೇರಿನ ಒಳಗಡೆನೆ ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೂಟ್. ಇದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗುವಂತಹ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಯುವಂತಹ ಇದಕ್ಕೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೂಟ್. ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಮೇನ್ ರೂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಗ್ರೋಸ್ ಥಿಕ್ಕರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೀಪರ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ಯಾಪ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, several thin roots come out from the tap roots. Several thin roots come out from the tap roots. These thin roots have very tiny root hairs. These root hairs take in water and minerals from the soil. Okay. Water and minerals from the soil. Carrot, radish and kidney beans have tap roots. Tap roots के example ಏನು? Carrots, radish and next kidney beans have tap roots. Several thin roots come out from the tap roots. This is the tap root alva. This is the root here. Several thin roots come out from the tap roots. These thin roots have very tiny root hairs. These root hairs take in water and minerals from the soil. Okay, some plants have many thin roots of the same size arising from the bottom of the stem. This is the fibrous roots. This is the fibrous roots picture. Some plants have many thin roots. This is the many thin roots of the same size arising from the bottom of the stem. Arising from the bottom of the stem. Such thin roots are called as fibrous roots. Such thin roots are called as fibrous roots. Plants such as wheat, grass, rice and sugarcane are fibrous root. Wheat, ಗೋಧಿ ಕೇಳಿದಿರಲ್ವಾ? Grass, rice and sugarcane have fibrous roots. Okay. Dear children, I have discussed already structure and function of the parts of plants. Roots. First, roots are very important part of the plants. In damage to the roots and kill the plants. It is grow normally under the ground. Functions of roots are roots hold to the plant firmly from the soil. They absorb water and nutrient from the soil. Kinds of roots ali first root, tap roots and fibrous roots. Tap roots के example carrot, radish and kidney beans have tap roots, and fibrous roots have wheat, grass rice and sugarcane. This is the example of tap root and fibrous root. Okay, thank you.